Let's break this stereotype. I've been talking about the Somali people for a pretty long time, but I want to show you this. This is the only country where their diaspora is representing Africa in almost all countries in the European Union and North America politically. You get it right. Okay, in the United States, the U.S. member of Congress, Omar, she is from Somali. Then you find Ahmed Hussein. He's been a member of parliament in Canada and a minister of immigration. He is from Somali. Keza, leader of the Oregon State Senate. He is from Somali. Right. The list continues. You find Hoda. She's a state rep in Minnesota. Okay. She is from Somali. Right. You find Faiza Hassan, member of the Legislative Assembly of Ontario. He is from Somali. Right. The list continues. Magid. He has been the mayor of Sheffield and a member of parliament in the European Union. He is from Somalia. You get it right. The list continues. You find Leila Ali Elmi. She's a member of parliament in Sweden. She is from Somalia. Count the countries that I've been talking about. Mariam Abi Hussein. She is a member of parliament in Norway. From Somalia, the countries of their representation continues. Said Ahmed. He is an MP in Finland. He's been a city councillor, right there. He's from Somalia. You find Omar Fatah, Minnesota State Senator from Somalia. You get the list. That is how Somali representation is politically is worldwide. Now, what am I saying? There's this naive stereotype that many people don't know about the Somali people. We just know them from the narrative you get on media, or the narrative you get from Africa that Somalia is some kind of a backward country. But look at in the diaspora, look at Ghana, look at Nigeria, look at their representation politically in the diaspora. Somalians are represented in almost all countries in the diaspora, politically, right? So get this right today. The stereotype that we get is what we get on the media. What the media tell us is not a fact, it's not a reality. I've done my research. Even my own country, we are nowhere to be found politically out of Cameroon as compared to the Somalians. So let's get this right today. That is the reality.